Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification button. So I am actually working on polishing my grill today. So when I went to the last car show, I was like, what? The sun hitting the grill was just like, showed all these water spots and stuff. And I've been really careful about it. I was kind of surprised actually. And it looked horrible to me. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but definitely not SEMA quality, right? So I'm going to be working on that today, getting that polished up because I'm hitting all these other car shows. And I also bought some shark hide. The reason that I didn't do that last time is it was really freaking expensive, and I think I was going to use like 0.002 ounces to just do, you know, the edge of this grill. But I finally found someone that was buying it by like 5 gallons and, you know, sell me a quart for the price of a pint. So I went for that, and I'm going to do that. And then also I've been working a little bit on the prop rod to get that ready, and I decided to just go simplistic on it, and I ordered some parts in, and we're going to see if we can get that to work today too. So a few things in the process, and as you can see, we got some merch in. It's actually looking really good. We have different logos. So I think I have, I don't know, 6 or 7 different designs that are online, and you just go below and hit the shop button right under the video, and you can just check out and get whatever you want. So anything from shirts, hoodies, cups, mugs, doggy bandanas, all sorts of stuff. So anything you could do to support the channel, that would be amazing, and we're gonna hop to it. Alright, so I got this polished up pretty well. You know, just take the edge off, if you will, you know, get it back to this nice pristine condition. Do a little shark's hide. As soon as that comes in, I'll pop that on. In the meantime, what I ended up going up with my prop rod here is a nice 4-inch, 4.5-inch wide area. And then I took some Plasti Dip and I rubber coated the handles so the little balls go on the V, and then those are going to go right into the rib holding this up. So that little V and the other adapter part was freaking expensive. After all shipping and everything, it was like $50. It's crazy. Should have been like $15 total. So, but in any case, got these all drying, and yeah, getting close to getting this thing ready to go. So it's a different day, and even though I got this polished up really well, I did see another product that I wanted to try to see if it will even take it to another level. So we're going to give that a shot. I also got my shark hide in. I did a lot of research on application because I know it's a sealant and protectant. And the last thing I want to do, which is kind of why I want to do one more step, is I don't want to seal in dullness or seal in, you know, do something wrong and now it's screwed, if you will. So I just want to make sure that I got everything dialed in the correct way. Now with the shark hide, you need a specific type of towel to apply it. Otherwise you could leave streaks and stuff like that in there, which I don't want to do. And I went to my local store where they said you could find it, and I couldn't find it there. So I'm going to work on that. But the other thing is you're supposed to do 2 coats and 1 coat, wait like 3 days, and then do another coat. Well, I need to take this car to a car show tomorrow, and so last thing I want to do is put a coat on and then put it out in the dust, possible rain or whatever happens, and then come back and then try to do another coat. Like that's not how we operate here at Street Rod Gym. So my OCD does not allow me to do stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and just do a polish that has a little bit of a protectant built in, and then from there go to the show, come back, by then order the proper type of towel or whatever to put the shark hide on in an enclosed environment, wait the 6 days total to get 2 coats on, and then hopefully we're good to go and kind of go from there. Again, I take things to a certain level, but the reason I do it is so I only have to do it once, and then I can set it and forget it, because I really am a set it and forget it guy. I don't want to be tweaking on this all the time. I just want to do it once, make it awesome, and move on. So unfortunately, doing it once and moving on is sometimes takes a little longer the first time you're doing it to make sure it's done right. So that's kind of where we're at, but we're going to give it a shot, see what happens. So when I first started, I didn't really notice too much of a difference, but then as I started going down the sides and stuff, and that could be load up on the wheel, that could be maybe I didn't do as good as a job the other day, I'm not really sure, but it really is starting to chrome out very well. Now this looks a little bit duller right here to me, but I'm also wondering, is it the angle where like you go here and oh, it is chrome, and here it's a little bit duller. Of course, this is not chrome, this is polished aluminum. So I think we're doing pretty good, at least for this round. And I might work a little bit harder in this area again with some multiple techniques, see what we come up with. But the rest of it, in fact, I had a bunch of water. In fact, you can see the difference of inside and outside major differences. So can I get in there? We're going to try. We're not going to do that today, but like I said, I do want to seal this, so I want to make it the best I can. And I really should have bought this shark hide originally. That's what I wanted to do. In fact, I really wanted to actually do a clear powder coat on this once it was polished. And I don't know, I think I let people talk me out of it, or cost, or I don't remember what it was, but I didn't do it. And everybody's like, oh, it's no big deal, you just buff it out a little bit later. And this car hasn't been driven much at all, and it looked horrible the other day. So water spots everywhere, kind of dingy looking. It's like, this is exactly why I didn't want to not have it treated in a sense. So so stick to your gut instincts is what that says.